What's up, peeps? Morning. Which part me there? I don't know which part me there. And the morning, afternoon, rotted. Damn, after 12 already for true. I don't know me. I'm doing my breakfast, you know what I mean? So, they must say.
I mean, they are waiting for the breakfast.
They must say they want some. See? Yeah, man.
People from man where they are clean up and thing and straight up the place and do laundry and clean up and yeah, and I work and all heap of things with they are
doing. All things. You see me?
Still go fresh up myself and
yeah.
I'm still have my bonnet and my teeth brush and my face wash and everything, you know, but go fresh up myself, shower and put on some clothes and yeah, you know it go.
But my bonnet too. Yeah.
No, sir.
My bonnet too. Cause I don't know I'm tour. I still have on my bonnet like, come on, are you buy it? This is what people want to say. You see me? Yeah.
That's right.
That's right. So you know me I do some press plant, you know. And some eggs. You get me I say? So who want some eggs and things? Just tune in. You see me?
Link up.
I may have the whole. Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't know the thing. I live in the kitchen, you know. So from me I go vlog and in a yard, in a house me there, you know go see cooking. When touch road a different thing, party different thing. You know what I mean? But enter the house, enter I vlog in the house. Little cooking have to go on for me. Right, baby?
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause my baby like my food, you know. Everybody.
Like?
Everybody love my food.
Like? You need to take off the IKE and put OVE.
Oh yeah, it's better now, baby. Yeah, for real, you know. Got me all up in a video like yeah. Yeah, man, that's good to me get done.
Dope you me.
Yeah, man. I like trouble, I
I think they know by now.
Cause she love cuss me. I'm just cuss her.
Yeah, anytime you trouble me, I cuss you. If you be nice to me, I be nice to you. If you're loving to me, I be loving to you. If you trouble me, just cuss you.
So like how me are cooking now, you know, can cooking for me too?
But cook for you all the while.
No, me not talk about that. Me are cooking now for you. Cooking for me too now. Cause when me face it to you, face it to me right away.
And you asked me to come out here and be a company to you. So that's exactly what I'm doing.
But you say me not for trouble, me not.
Yes, and you're troubling me.
Yeah.
Remind me to jump next time, because we don't know what.
Alright, babe, jump.
What you?
We're still not jump.
Come like the big fatness that they want to do with turban.
Oh,
you know
well, the curly tail lizard. Me never see that. Me never see them yet.
Babes, you said I'm driving. I'm gonna pick up the wife from school. I'm gonna drive, come here, drive here. When I'm in the middle of driving, you know. So you know, I'm kind of rev up the car upon it. Babes, you don't turn around and look for me.
Rev him car too.
You know, you're gonna have to come to the car and run him down if you move. I'm not gonna run him over.
No, not run over.
We not do that.
Yeah, we're not kill nothing. You see me?
Everything of life.
Everything of life and family too.
Alright.
Yeah, so hear me I say. When I go and hold up. Let's go and hold up. Yeah, let's go and hold up. Let's go and hold up. Let's go and hold up. Cause I start the ball rolling now. See? Alright.
Yeah.
Is that the vlog is a small one because I don't know plant and egg. Small, short, yeah. Quick and fast. Yeah man. You don't know the things set you know. Plant them are going. You know, as I say, you need running for my thing. I have to do two burro banana. I don't know if you ever eat it press, but the burro banana press, yeah man, nice man. And see plant them are going red. So you don't know the things set you know. Egg, I go deal with that now, don't? Get me olive oil. Put a small amount in it. Don't. So we don't know for oil for fry egg. How much egg you want, baby? 3? 4? I ring up her face like me know how much she eat.
10. You know, 10
egg. You hear that? 10 eggs she want, you know?
You shouldn't ask me, you know. Because you chat up your mouth every vlog and tell people lie about only eat 10 eggs.
Boy, I can't. Yo, if you go around after your mouth, you're not getting my food.
I have to get some of the food. And that may tell you.
Me does. Show me does. Yo, me does. Show me does. Show.
You better love to say the far.
Show. Hey, a bad girl. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police.
Bad girl, you like?
Yeah. I don't know the thing said. Yeah. The kitchen door. I go and do my thing. Put it around so. And put this up in the ear so let them kind of see my face so. Yeah, when you have to see part, man, just go and see me. So as I say, more banana. Drop in. I love the banana, the original banana that you know. AKA frog banana. Deal with the egg and you know, NIQUE already before me, man. I don't know all of a sudden she come in at the table and can't get too much food before me. Yeah, hey baby. You know them are ready, I know. Ready. Cause I come out, I take out and I drop in the boar banana. Yeah. Yeah, man. You see me? This is our brunch. Yeah, cause our breakfast gone already. And thing. So a brunch a run. How much egg that? About 5? Large sugar. Yeah, that's where back come from. Yeah man, so you don't know, as I say, just a show you what I go on. Within 5 minutes or so. Come get it now, baby.
Don't put the camera on me, damn snitch.
Yo, you see, I'm not even saying nothing, no. And you so you go and suffer then. Yo, when we finish and plate our plate, I couldn't see what I go on. Or like a what them call it? Blue Mountain Peak.
Bad girl need just have a check up, man, you know.
Yeah, back again, bit. It's back.
Why? Where you come from, Mr. Sure. For me.
So no.
And I use the supper right.
We're back again, though. For sure, no what I go on. One quick and fast, you know. Quick and fast. You don't know the thing set, Tita. I don't want no fry egg. She want fry. Scramble mine. You know what I mean? You see?
Yeah, I know not to scramble today.
Yeah, she.
Look at all of the food, look at. What is a fame?
Alright then. I hold up, me not see you put your foot round there, so.
Give me
Watch out. What? Hey, watch out. Yo.
Leave me alone now.
As I said, she run in for my thing. I have to do them 2 pieces of boar banana. It's at a 3 plant I have. So you don't know. I don't know enough. I don't know our meat enough. I just as she come. You know what I mean? I look all upon the one. You see she? If she eat egg, you know, should have jump into, you know. But she no eat egg, I say go.
So because there's so much plantain you want ever eat?
No, 3 plantain and 2 banana.
So you're not giving me another banana?
Oh, you want one banana?
I want to try it.
Oh, you want to try it? Come now. Take your plate, come man, come.
I'm going to taste these first, see if I like.
Yeah. So,
things. I like it.
What? So guess what? We don't have to buy no more plantain.
I like this.
Alright. Me tell you about it long time though.
Right.
So she run in for me plantain in the morning. Right? Me go to Bumps and say, alright then me have the burro banana. She run in for me burro banana.
Sharing is caring, honey.
She only want me alone share, she don't want share.
Where?
That's a good move.
Sharing is caring.
Oh yeah, that's a bit
My baby loves me so much.
Of course,
My baby made me breakfast.
Yeah, but
Right, baby?
yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Papa. Every breakfast is nice.
I want to them.
Bam, bam. Wait.
So, babe, I don't know the thing said. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell the whole family. Rash and NIQUE is here.